watch it from before. I did it. I did the little interview thing. It was fun. And then the UFC was purchased by the Fertittas. And Dana White and I became friends because I was in Fairfax. He gave me free tickets to come to the fights. That's when no celebrities really knew what it was, and so you sit up in the front row, and then they would interview me, and I knew so much about fighting. I started asking questions about guys that are fighting in Japan.
An award to Elton John. Celebrate all of the incredible artists in music.
Holy shit!
Here, Thursday, May 27th, live from the Dolby Theater in Los Angeles. Don't miss our 2021 iHeartRadio Music Awards.
The Chalupa Cravings Box is an abundant collection of Taco Bell favorites like the Chalupa, a beefy 5-layer burrito, plus chips and nacho cheese sauce.
Come on!
Oh my god!
What the fuck?
Oh my god! Oh my god, he just took your mirror off.
Took my...
Нихуя себе, прикольно, блядь.
Jesus. Who threw that?
He did.
What in the world?
starting SOS call.
To think that Fortes had coolly directed the torture of young people from effectiveness, then left that life behind and came to New York.
This is what happens when people think they are in the right, but are actually in the wrong.
Cover the face up.